everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this face for the first time, my name is Dafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyle video in this channel. So today's video is going to be बहुत मजेदार. So today's video I'm going to show you most of the products which are expensive, and I'm going to show you exact dupes of that high-end product which are very expensive. So if you are interested in seeing what I got for you, so take some time, sit, relax, have a cold coffee or some juice or chai. Out talking too much, let's get started. The first product that I have with me is MAC का Studio Fix. This is the compact foundation in a form of a compact. So this is my shade. I am NC35. I'm a little tan this time, but this is my usual shade that I use, and MAC का सारे products oxidize करते हैं. So this is the shade. Okay, this is the shade for MAC, and the dupe that I have bought is none other than the Maybelline Fit Me. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. This is also a compact powder. This is in the shade, the one which I am using is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So let me show you the shade first. So this is the shade for the Maybelline one. If you see in the packaging, let me take some time. So if you see the packaging, the colors are very similar to each other. If you see the colors in the pan, they're very similar to each other. So if you swipe it, still the shade is very similar to each other. And the next thing is, which is very important, the texture. Okay, आप जब इसको feel करते हो, and when you touch this product, the feel is very identical. My first very similar dupe. This is very expensive. This comes for around 2000 to 2500. I exactly don't remember the price, but everything will be down in the description box so you can check it for yourself. So this is for around 2000 to 2500, whereas this one is for around 500. It's between 5 to 600 rupees. So yes, this is the first dupe for today. Blush from Ofra. So Ofra is not very expensive, but yes, it is expensive. Okay, so the blush that I have is this one by Ofra. This is the blush, and this is in the shade B29 Coral Crush, and this is the color. So let me swatch this for you first. So this is the shade for the Ofra blush. The dupe for this blush, as in for the blush color, is the Makeup Revolution London blush. This is the blusher Reloaded. This is in the shade Rose Kiss. Okay, so let me show you the shade of this one. So my hands, I'm using this finger, swirling it. So this is the shade here. The shade for the Revolution one, if you see, the shade here is very similar to each other. If you see in the camera, this and this is very similar. This is a little powdery, but this is not powdery. So yes, this is the second dupe, the highlighter by Becca. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. This is one of the most popular shade of Becca. So I have a small trial size packet because हमें highlighter बहुत कम लगती है. So let me show you the shade for this one. It is very beaming. So this is the shade for the Becca highlighter. It is quite beaming. This is what I have on my face also. It is quite expensive. So for the dupe, I again have Revolution by Makeup Revolution. This is the Pro Illuminate. This is the name of the shade, I suppose, and the pan size is huge. So let me show you the shade. So this is the shade for the Makeup Revolution one, the second one here. If you see, there is very close competition and the shade is very similar to each other. So whereas the Champagne Pop is way too expensive and this one comes for around 850 rupees. So the next dupe that I have for you is for one of the most famous bronzer, and it is a very nice bronzer. Okay, I use it personally and I love it. So the bronzer that I have for you is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and this is in the shade, okay, there's no shade name here, but yes, this is the Hoola bronzer. And as we all know, this is very expensive. The price is 2810 rupees, which is very a lot of money. Okay, the dupe that I have for the Hoola bronzer is from a palette. This is the Sugar palette, and you have been seeing me using this a lot. So this is in the variant Vivid Victory. So let's concentrate on this bronzer. Okay, so let me show you the shade. This is the shade for the Sugar palette bronzer. I hope it is visible to you, but yes, this is the shade, which is not that very striking at one swipe, but you have to build to get the color. The second one is the shade for the Hoola bronzer. If you're able to see, because the shade is quite light in the swatches, but if you are able to see, these shades are very similar to each other. Both are very like, they are not very striking at the first use, but you can build them up, and both bronzers are like my favorite. So yes, this is the dupe for the Hoola bronzer, and it is the Sugar palette. So the next product is something which I have already used in one of my videos, and I think it's already there in my channel. If it's there, I'll give the link down in the description box so you can see it by yourself. High-end glitter eyeshadow, we have the Stila. This is the Stila glitter eyeshadow, which is one very famous, and I have the miniature version of it, and this is in the shade Follow the Sun. So let me swatch it for you. So this is the shade. It's quite beaming and very beautiful. So this is my favorite. I love the Stila glitter shadows. And the dupe that I have for you is very normal, because it's not so common. It is not so difficult to know about this, because this product is very famous. So this is the Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 01. So this is the shade which I have on my eyes as well. So let me swatch this for you. So yes, this is the second shade here. This is by Swiss Beauty. If you see, the shades are very close to each other. It's just that the Stila one, just one swipe you get the color of very golden eyelids, and for the Stila one you have to build it up, and the color combination of this is very similar. The only thing about these two palettes, these two shadows, and the difference between the shadows is the Swiss Beauty one, it gives the color in just one swipe, but if you build this up again and again, and you use it on top of one layer and the other layer, this shows that crackiness in the eyeshadow, which doesn't look good. But with Stila, this doesn't happen. You can build this shadow very easily in your eyes. It looks very flawless, and this is a very beautiful liquid eyeshadow. So yes, this is my next dupes for each other. This is the high-end from Stila, and this is the affordable, very affordable from Swiss Beauty. I have a whole makeup on this shadow, so you can see it down in the description box. So for the lip liner, I don't have very expensive and very high-end one, but I have a lip liner which are very close to each other, but one is expensive and one is very inexpensive. lip liner, I have the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie, and this is in the shade Loverboy. For the dupe, I have the Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty lip liner. This is in the shade 05. So the first similarity about these two are the packaging. If you see, the packaging of both the lip liners are very similar. So let me swatch them for you. I'm going to swatch the Nykaa one first. So this is the shade for the Nykaa Loverboy, and for the dupe I have Swiss Beauty. This is the color. These are very similar to each other, and the best thing is both the lip liners are very nice. They are both affordable. They are not that expensive. I think the Nykaa one is for $3.99 or $2.99, I don't remember, but for the quality and for the quantity that it comes for, it's very beautiful and worth the price. You can buy it when there is good sales going on. And for the Swiss Beauty one, this is also very affordable, and it is a very beautiful product to use on yourself. So I love both. So let's start with the lipstick. I am very excited because it was like very interesting to hunt them all. So the first lipstick that I have two high-end lipstick. Okay, so let me show you those two high-end lipstick. So the first lipstick is the one from Smashbox. This is the Smashbox liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Dream Huge. So you all know this is a very expensive lipstick, and this comes for around $1,800 to $2,000. So yes, this is the first lipstick for high end. So the other high end in the same shade I have is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Gossip Girl. So let me swatch this two high end in one side first. So this is Gossip Girl from Huda Beauty. So the next swatch is for the Smashbox lipstick. This is the Smashbox lipstick. Dupe for this two lipstick is the one from Sugar. This is the Sugar liquid lipstick, Smudge Me Not Rain, and this is in the shade 09. Very similar shade of the Sugar lipstick. If you see the comparison, they are very close to each other. They are like a very neutral pink sort of a shade. So the next lipstick that I have from the high-end side is the one from MAC. This is the MAC lipstick in the shade Lady Danger. So this is the lipstick. Let me swatch it for you. It's like a bright orange shade. So the dupe, I have two dupes for this one. So let me show you the first dupe that I have. The Maybelline lipstick. This is in the shade Craving Coral in the shade 685. So let me show you the shade. So the shade is very similar. It's quite bright orange. So this is the comparison. This is the Maybelline one and this is the MAC one. I have one more dupe for this similar shade, but it's in the form of a liquid. So it is by Miss Claire, and this is in the shade 22. So let me swatch this for you. So this is the liquid lipstick by Miss Claire in the shade 22. If you see, the shades are very similar to each other. I think the Miss Claire one matches the MAC one more because the finishing is quite similar and the shade is also very identical. High-end lipstick that I have is again from MAC. This is the MAC lipstick and this is in the shade Mixed Media. It's sort of a very purple shade. So it's like this shade over here. So let me swatch this for you. So this is the shade for Mixed Media. It's a very beautiful bold purple sort of a color. So the dupe that I have for the MAC one is again from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Divine Wine. Okay, so this is the color. Let me swatch it for you. So yes, this is the color for the Maybelline one, and this is from the MAC one. If you see, the color is very, again, identical to each other. This is the only difference is the MAC one is way more more matte than the Maybelline one, but the color, if you see the color comparison, it is very similar to each other. So who loves Fenty Beauty? Okay, so I'm a big fan of Fenty Beauty product. I love everything about makeup, so I'm a fan of everybody, so it's not new. So next is I have a dupe for Fenty most famous shades that she has in her collection. So the first shade which I'm going to show is already in the same video that I have in my channel, so you can see this shade over there also. So the first shade that I have for high end from Fenty Beauty is the very famous shade. This is the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Uncuffed. This is very famous shade, and it's very beautiful to apply when you have a very dark eye makeup, and this is a beautiful perfect nude. So let me swatch this for you. The very identical dupe I have for the Fenty Uncuffed is by Nicka K. This is the True Matte Liquid Lipstick by Nicka K, and this is in the shade Turkish Rose. I never thought these colors will match. अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं Fenty Beauty वाला नहीं खरीदती. But the shade, okay, let me show you the shade comparison first. This one is the shade for the Nicka K liquid lipstick. See the shades, they are very close to each other, very similar. They both last very long in your lips. They both are very nice, very matte, and very comfortable on your lips. So if you are wanting to try the Uncuffed one, it is the best thing. You can try and use this shade first because it's very nude. So आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि ये lipstick आपके lips पे suit करती है कि नहीं. You can try this shade first and you feel satisfied. If you like the shade, you can go buy the expensive one. So I have two left. Okay, they're like two expensive products and two dupes of them, and these two shades are like very world famous. Okay, so don't be surprised, but the first shade that I have is again from Fenty, and it's one of the most famous shade of her line, of her makeup lipstick range, and this is the Fenty liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Uncensored. Yes, this is the shade Uncensored. I know you might be thinking that इसका भी shade dupe है. Yes, है, जरूर है. This first, so yes, this is the shade color for Uncensored. This is the Fenty Beauty swatch. So let me introduce you to the very close dupe of this color. It is from none other than my favorite liquid lipstick range, and this is by Sugar liquid lipstick from the Smudge Me Not range, and this is my favorite shade. Okay, I had these two shades on my lips on my wedding day. So this is the shade number 10, and let me swatch this to you. Ta-da! To see my loves, I have bought you the Fenty Beauty ka exact dupe. Okay, so this is the shade for both the colors, and if you see by yourself, the shades matches each other perfectly because both are red in color and both has this blue undertone. So yes, this is my favorite dupe till now. So this is the liquid lipstick by Fenty Beauty, and the dupe for it is from the Sugar. Difference between these two, comparing them other than their color, is that this stays in your lips for a good period of time, but you cannot compare it with the Sugar lipstick. This stays in your lips forever, but again the Sugar one has one problem, and it is that this is very drying on your lips. So everything has one disadvantage and one advantage. So yeah, So the next shade of lipstick that I have for you, I just hope I don't fall in any controversy because of this shade, because it is very similar to each other. The only difference is that the first expensive shade I have is a shade which is in the form of lipstick. What do you call that? The normal lipstick, and the dupe for that I have is in the form of liquid. So let me show you the shade that I have from MAC. So this is the very famous MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. Yes, this is the shade from Ruby Woo, and you all might already have this. This is a very beautiful, lovely shade. So let me swatch this for you. So yes, this is the shade for the MAC Ruby Woo. So introducing you to the dupe of MAC Ruby Woo is the one from Wet n Wild. So you might all have this shade as well. This is the shade. This is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Messy and Fierce. So let me show you the color. See, I have used this so much that it's broken. So let me show you the shade. So this is the swatch for the Wet n Wild Messy and Fierce. If you see the comparison, the color are very close to each other. The difference is this is in a form of a normal creamy stick lipstick, and this is in the form of a liquid lipstick. So yes, this is the comparison. Yes, that was it. This was it for my versions of dupe for the expensive and inexpensive version. If you like the video and you want me to do more of this sort of a video, do let me know in the comments section. If you want me to swatch the lipstick on my lips and show you, you can also tell me that in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to film it for you. So today's video is done. I am done for the day. काम हो गया आज के लिए, but आपका काम बाकी है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. And if you like my work, do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.